You may have heard of National Grid ESO's Pathfinders. These are like exploratory markets to figure out the potential feasibility of future commercial markets, and they're focused on finding solutions to niche challenges that have arisen as a result of the huge changes we've seen to the system in the past few years. So let's look specifically at stability pathfinders. When I say stability, I'm really talking about two things. Firstly, inertia. Inertia is basically caused or created by spinning stuff in order to slow down the rate of change of frequency. And secondly, something called short circuit level. This refers to the level of current on the system during a fault. This ensures that voltage remains stable in the face of potential disturbances. Basically, the bigger the current, the stronger the system. Both inertia and short circuit level have traditionally come from big thermal generation, but in the drive to net zero, the ESO needs to get them from cleaner sources, and it has to contract for them specifically. The ESO is aiming to reduce the minimum level of inertia that the grid needs by 27% over the next 2 years. It can do this because of the introduction of fast-acting frequency response services, specifically dynamic containment and dynamic moderation. At the moment, the inertia that the ESO has procured through its stability pathfinders is physical inertia from synchronous condensers. These are big machines that spin but don't actually generate any electricity. However, the ESO is also hoping to procure virtual inertia, which can be provided by battery energy storage systems with grid-forming inverters. Basically, this means using power electronics to replicate the stabilizing qualities of physical inertia. The aim is that battery energy storage systems will provide 12% of Great Britain's contracted inertia by 2026. Yet another use case for battery energy storage systems in helping to keep the lights on. These will be the first batteries in Britain and some of the earliest globally to deploy grid-forming inverter technology. For more details, head to the article and I'll see you soon.